All right, back we go. The market is back in action. It is Monday. It is March 8th. Right now it is 12 noon East Coast. S&P is plus 18. Dow Jones plus 445. NASDAQ still struggling, minus 102. So this move is not over to the downside yet. We haven't had that day yet. We're up 600. That'll come. Still figuring out a bottom at this point. So, there we go. Let's look at some different stocks. I'm going down a list of all different stocks. MICT. Let's take a look at this. Finviz, 43 million float. Insiders and institutions don't really own this. 162 million market cap. Subsidiary Micronet receives commercial order for its SmartCam connected product. That was the 8th, which is today. And what do they do? Operating through its subsidiaries, intermediate holdings, Micronet provides mobile computing solutions, trading technology platform, high growth sectors, global fintech space, headquartered in Montville, New Jersey. All right, so this stock has been in a bottom for a while. Then July it really took off. 150 got as high as 8 plus. Look at that wick. Then it faded all the way down. Then it found the 6 line and faded down again. So, 6 line's pretty big here. You dropped, and look where you dropped to. See, this 150 line's very big. You have here. It's 2 big moves where it's held, and then you try to get up again as 3. It was grinding slowly. Now it dropped off again. So, yeah, pretty easy to read on this chart as far as you have a descending triangle. The high keeps getting lower, and you're holding this 150. Now, if 150 doesn't hold, what's underneath here? 150, you're just going way back. Is this going to do this back and forth and squeeze out and really take off? Maybe some news. That's a possible scenario. Yeah, it's getting oversold here. Maybe we come down a little bit more, grind out, and start to come up, then eventually test this 3 level. So right now the 3 level, that is what you're looking for as far as the high. You want to break that. That will be the target. Could happen within a few weeks. And 150 has to hold in this. 150 doesn't hold, down you go. So not the best chart. There's other stocks, but just pointing this one out if you do look at it. MICT. Here's you, Amy. $60 million float, 127 million market cap. They are a corporation produces sells silver, gold, zeolite products, United States, Canada. This is another grinder. 50 cents, been grinding. 75, went up, went as high as 250. Back test, it came back up again, but didn't work. Now we're dropped all the way to the 1 level. And it's getting very oversold. You can draw a line right here. So you're at this 1 level here, see the low, getting higher, getting higher. This has to hold, this 1 level right here. Look at this line. You gap down here. This big gap are actually gapped up. Now it's holding 1. 1 has to hold. You're going to 75 and lower. It's a very important line right here. It looks like Finviz is a line just like this. So they have that big move up. And see, this is where you have like your broadening wedge or, a channel now developed. So this would be the bottom of the channel. And then we can go up. Eventually it'll test 225, 2 again. We'll see in that. Very oversold. It's hard to say if the bottom's in. But, watch for that 1 hold. And then I think eventually we'll get back up here. As long as this channel keeps moving up, you're moving north. As far as the channel, your uptrend. So that's how it looks on that. Vuzi. Vuzi, 38 million float, 29% institutional ownership. 777 million market cap. What do they do? Signs manufacturers market sells augmented reality wearable devices. Enterprise market, excuse me. So, once this got over 5, right here, see this back and forth, back and forth. Nice over 5 move, consolidate it once this got to 10, bounce hard to 16. Look at this. All these consolidation moves pulled back, went up to 26. This was on a tremendous tear. Then we went down. And, where's the bottom on this? Getting oversold. See, the 12 is a big line here, going all the way back. So let me see the weekly. 12, I mean, this started at 2011. That's why I have that 12 line. It put in a big wick, try to come back. We'll see. This might continue to back test a little more. I watch that 12. 12 is a key line. If we come back here, it'll grind and then probably bounce up. So it's pulling back hard. So watch that level. Eventually, we got to work our way back up there. That'll take a while. Back to this 24, 20, 26 level, this whole level here. So, it's in a downtrend now. It's not like the last few days this has been going up. So this is pulling back. So, all right, this is how this looks on Vuzi. Not a great chart right now. Has to find consolidation, then move back up. All right, so that's it on these 3. And please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades. Smash the like button, YouTube. Leave comments, information. It's always good. What else we got here? Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Twitter, Mike J Trades. StockTwits, Mike Cayman Trades. And that's it. Peace.